Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same step should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So first things first, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your Redmi Note 14. So simply open settings and then select Bluetooth. And then ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your Redmi Note 14. Now once you've enabled Bluetooth, all you have to do is power on your Bluetooth speaker. And then once you power on your Bluetooth speaker, you have to put your Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode. So it might be different for different speakers. So for mine, it's pretty simple. I just simply press the Bluetooth button and that will put it into pairing mode. So if you have a different speaker, simply follow the manual on how to put it into pairing mode. So put it into pairing mode. And then once you put it into pairing mode, all you have to do is come to your Bluetooth settings and simply tap on refresh to scan for available Bluetooth speakers or Bluetooth devices. Now, as you can see, my Bluetooth speaker has been discovered. So once you discover your Bluetooth speaker, all you have to do is simply tap on it. And then you should see this prompt, pair with that particular Bluetooth speaker. Simply tap on pair. And you should see the option, your Bluetooth speaker has been successfully connected. Now you can play audio and videos using this Bluetooth speaker. So that's basically it on how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.